So I found this picture on Instagram, and a picture can speak 1,000 words. Look at it. 26 messages at the top. When they need you, that means this picture is signifying that when somebody needs you, they're blowing up your phone. 26 messages. But then when it's the opposite, when you need them, it's 0 messages. Crickets. Whenever you're trying to reach out to them, they won't answer their phone, they won't answer their text messages or their emails. But when they need you, it's 26 messages blowing up your phone. Well, we've all probably been one of these pictures, the top one or the bottom one. But let's try our best to be there for people. Let's try our best to not only blow up people's phone when we need them, and let's try to be there more for others as well when they need us.